Hello learners, today's reader is tomorrow's leader. I repeat, today's reader is tomorrow's leader. So learners, keep on continuing your learning part. Okay, learners, this is Nagajyoti. Welcome to our channel Learn All-in-One Vlogs. Now let us see the first word. Bamboozle in English, to impose upon. In Telugu, mosam cheyu. Now let us see the second word. Bailiwick in English, the precincts within which a bailiff has authority. In Telugu, న్యాయస్థానపు అధికారి యొక్క అధికార పరిధి. Now let us see the third word. Banishment, exile. The act of banishing in English. In Telugu, దేశ బహిష్కరణ, వెళ్ళగొట్టుట. Okay learners, that's all for today. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit on bell icon for more notifications and videos. Keep on watching our channel Learn All-in-One Vlogs for more legal content. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.